Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Rust crashing when you launch it or joining a server. Just search your Rust, right click it, go to the properties, right here, go to the installed files, and here click on the browse. And here find your Rust.exe, click properties, go to compatibility, and make sure this is unchecked, because I was getting a crash and this was checked, so make sure it is unchecked and click OK, and make sure it is same for the client. As you can see, it is unchecked, and click apply. After that, what you can do is try to verify integrity of game files. That should fix your problem also. And the last fix that you can do is exit your Steam and relaunch it. Maybe Steam has a new update and it will fix your problem. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.